Hello students, today we'll discuss one question of determinant. Okay, question is so that the point A, that is A B plus C, B that is B C plus A, and C C A plus B are collinear. 3 points are given and we have to prove that points are collinear. 3 points are there, A, B and C. We have to prove that these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means this point will be in the same line. Okay, so how we can prove this? Okay, so to prove this we will use the determinant. How determinant? Okay, in determinant you have studied that area of a triangle formula you have studied. Okay, if area of the triangle means if this point is x1 comma x2 and this point is x1 comma, first one is x1 comma y1 and second point is x2 comma y2 and third point is x3 comma y3. If area point, correct, this ABC is the triangle, then area of triangle will be, one formula you have studied, half x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. So we will use this formula. So how we can use this formula? Since this is area, suppose these 3 points are collinear, like this. These 3 points are not able to form a triangle. These 3 points will be collinear like this. Okay, this is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle, but these 3 points are not forming a triangle. A, B, C are not forming a triangle. These 3 points are collinear like this. Okay, so if these 3 points A, B and C are collinear, then area of triangle will be 0 because no area is getting formed. So if no area is there, then there is no question of area of triangle. Okay, there is no triangle, no area, then area of triangle will be 0. Okay, so we'll use this formula. So how? Okay, because these 3 points is given, these 3 points are given here. Okay, these 3 points are given, so area of triangle will be 0. These 3 points are given, A is given, B is given, C is given, and these 3 points are forming a collinear. Okay, so area of triangle formed by point A, B, C will be 0. Okay, if we are able to prove this, then we can prove easily that points are collinear. So what we will find? We will find the area of triangle ABC and we will prove that area of triangle ABC is 0. If we are able to prove this, then we can say that a point ABC are collinear. So I think it is clear. Okay, so how will solve? Okay, so solution will start now. Okay, till now I was explaining you. Okay, so how you will write solution? We have to prove that A, B, C are collinear. Points A, B, C are collinear. Okay, so if I am taking any 3 points A, B, C like this, okay, this is our A, this is our B, and this is our C. Okay, so A coordinate is given A comma B plus C, and B coordinate is given B comma C plus A, and C coordinate is given C comma A plus B, and we will find the area of this triangle. We will find if these 3 points are given, then using the determinant method, okay, area of triangle ABC will be equal to half, then x1 by 1, x1 is A and y1 is B plus C. So A, B plus C and 1. Okay, you have to just memorize that formula. Okay, then x2 by 2 means B and C plus A. So B, C plus A and 1. And then C means x1, x3 by 3. C, A plus B. So C, A plus B and then 1. Now we have to prove this area as 0. Okay, so we'll use the properties of determinant. Okay, if you are seeing this like this determinant, then what I will do, this is 1 1 1, okay, and we know one property of determinant. If two rows are identical, two rows or two columns are identical, then area like determinant value will be 0. Okay, so I will solve this determinant. Okay, I will solve this determinant. Okay, so I will take in the next page. So I will solve that determinant a, b, c, and then b plus c, because main thing we have to solve the determinant. Okay, and if we will able to solve the determinant, and you know determinant will give a value. Okay, so we will get that determinant value and we will put that value there. Okay, so this is the determinant. Now how to solve this C1 and C2, column C1 and C2 I will add. I will perform an operation on column C1. Okay, I will perform an operation on column C1 as C1 plus C2. So I can write as C1 elements will get added with C2 elements. So A will get added with corresponding, correct? This is the corresponding, correct? A will get added to B plus C. So it will be A plus B plus C, and then second element B will get added with C plus A. So it will be C plus B plus C plus A. So it will be ultimately A plus B plus C. So I will write in sequence only A plus B plus C. Okay. Then third element C will get added to A plus B. So A plus B and plus C will be A plus B plus C, and then B plus C, C plus A, and A plus B, and third column is 1 1 1. Okay, this one operation I performed. Now can I simplify anything? So if you will see the column C1, then every element is A plus B plus C. So I can take common, A plus B plus C. Okay, so what I will do, I will take common. Okay, I'm writing here. Okay, so I will take A plus B plus C common from column C1. Okay, from column C1. Okay, so if I will take A plus B plus C common, then in column 1 it will remain 1 1 1. In column B, in column 2, B plus C, C plus A, and then A plus B, and third column is nothing but 1 1 1. Okay, so if you will see here, again we'll use the properties of determinant. What is the property of determinant? I explained earlier also. Okay, that if column C1, if two column or two rows are identical, then if you will see carefully, then column C1, this is the column C1, and column C3 are identical. Column C1 and C3 are identical. So since C1 and C3 are identical, identical means every elements are identical. 1 is equal to 1, 1 is equal to 1, 1 is equal to 1. Okay, every elements are identical. Okay, so we can say that value of this determinant will be 0. Value of this determinant will be 0. Then A plus B plus C, and you know determinant value is 0. So 0 and 0 will get multiplied to A plus B plus C will be 0. Okay, see, we got this determinant value as 0. Okay, we got this determinant value as 0. Then I will come here in area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC was nothing but 1 upon 2 into this determinant, and this determinant value we got as 0. Okay, this determinant value we got here as 0. Okay, so it means area of triangle ABC will be half into 0. Area of triangle ABC will be half into 0 because the determinant value we got as 0. So I will use the another page. Okay, area of triangle ABC is nothing but half into determinant value is 0. So it will be 0. Okay, so ultimately we got that area of triangle ABC is 0. Since area of triangle ABC is 0, so we can write points A, B, C are collinear. Okay, I explained you in starting of the video. Okay, so points A, B, C are collinear, proved. Okay, because these points are not forming a triangle, so that's why area is 0. If the area of triangle is 0, then we can say that points A, B, C are collinear. Okay, so hence it is proved. So I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, then you can comment below in the comment box. Thanks.